Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I do like wearing my athletic shirts, and so I got this one here. This is by Pausel, Pausel fashion, and we're gonna give this thing a try. Sorry, I've got my microphone here in my hand because I'm gonna be changing shirts, but let's give this thing a shot. I can't remember what size I got. I'll tell you in a second. Let's look at this. But this is it here. It is a long sleeve Pausel. I don't know. Did I get large? I usually wear large, but let's see. I did get large. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. I'm going to go put it on, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to say this is super comfy. It's got a little bit of space to it, which I kind of like. You know, sometimes I'll wear medium if I'm going to be biking or something like that. But this for hiking or just going outside and hanging out, this is the way I like it. And it's the arms, the perfect length. I mean, if I go up, it's going to be, pulled down, but down it's good. I'll show you guys the full length here if you can see. I don't know, it's gonna. Well, my phone fell down and then the voice stopped working, but here I am wearing the shirt and it's super comfortable. You see it's got the long sleeve on there, which fit good. And that's how I look from the back. I look amazing from the back, I'm sure. It's good length, good size. I really like it, and it's super comfortable, super soft. I need to lose a few pounds, but I like it. I say thumbs up, so definitely pick one of these up.